Today I'm going to tell you about the prepositions в and на, which denote location and answer the question где. В. The first meaning is inside, в столе, в комнате. The second one, in a building with a roof, в кафе, в банке. Name of towns, countries and states, в городе, в Москве, в Техасе. And names of mountains, plural, в Альпах, в Андах. На, surface, на столе, an open place without a roof. Я на улице, a gathering of people. На работе, на уроке, на выставке, на вечеринке. The names of parts of the world, на юге, на севере. So remember that if something is inside, you must use в. В стакане, в море, in a glass, in the sea. Something is outside, на. На острове, на стадионе. And I hope you have already seen that the ending of nouns is я. And it's not a secret for you that we have lots of exceptions, the prepositions в and на, which answer the question где. Exceptions. You already know that в книге, в городе ending is е, but you should learn some exceptions. В шкафу, в лесу, на мосту. Outside, but we say в парке, в саду. Inside, but на почте, на фабрике, на заводе, на вокзале. These are not all of them, but the ones that are most used. Also, these prepositions are actively used with an accusative case when we are talking about movement direction, but that is another long story. Okay, write your examples below in the comments. I'll check you. Пока!